Welcome back, everyone, to our English Learning Podcast. In the last segment, Ayesha told us how she managed her time and balanced school, business, and English learning. Today, she will share something every business person and every English learner faces: challenges.
Yes, sir. There were many challenges.
Teacher smiles. I believe you. So, Ayesha, let's start from the beginning. What was your biggest challenge after you started your business?
Sir, the biggest challenge was mistakes. I made so many mistakes in the beginning.
Ah, yes, mistakes. They are a part of every journey. What kind of mistakes did you make?
Sometimes I sent the wrong size of bracelet. Sometimes I forgot to pack one item. And once I sent an order to the wrong address.
Oh, no! That must have been stressful.
Yes, sir. The customer was upset. I felt very sad. I thought, maybe I'm not good at this.
That's a common feeling, Ayesha. But remember, mistakes are not failure. They are lessons.
Yes, sir. My father said the same. He told me, Ayesha, every business makes mistakes. Just learn and move on.
That's wonderful advice. Let's teach our listeners an expression: learn and move on. It means accept your mistake, fix it, and don't let it stop you.
Yes, sir. I learned that the hard way.
What about negative comments? Did anyone criticize your work?
Oh, yes, sir. On social media, sometimes people wrote rude comments. One person said, "Your designs are not special." I felt hurt.
That's painful, I know. How did you deal with that?
At first, I cried. But later, I told myself, not everyone will like my work. And that's okay.
Excellent mindset, Ayesha. Let's explain a grammar tip here. When we talk about general truth, or things that are always true, we use the present simple tense. So we say, not everyone likes my work, or people sometimes write negative comments.
Oh, I understand. So people wrote is past, but people write is general.
Exactly. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
So, after you decided not to take negative comments personally, what did you do?
I started to focus on good comments. I made a folder in my phone called Happy Customers. I saved kind messages there.
That's beautiful, Ayesha. That folder must have given you motivation.
Yes, sir. When I felt sad, I opened it and read the messages. It gave me energy again.
That's a wonderful idea for all our listeners. Keep your positive feedback. It reminds you that you are doing well.
Yes, sir. And I also started learning new skills.
Oh, what kind of skills?
I learned how to make better product descriptions in English. Before, I wrote simple things like, nice bracelet. Later, I learned to write, beautiful handmade bracelet for special occasions.
Wow, that's a big improvement. You used adjectives like beautiful and handmade, and a prepositional phrase for special occasions. That makes your writing more professional.
Thank you, sir. I learned from online videos and English podcasts like this one.
That's excellent. Vocabulary tip. Occasion means a special event or time, like a wedding, birthday, or party. Pronunciation, say it like occasion.
Occasion. Oh, that's nice. I'll remember that.
Very good. Now, Ayesha, let's talk about confidence. Many English learners feel shy. Many business owners also feel nervous talking to customers. Did you feel that too?
Yes, sir. I was very shy to talk to people in English. When a customer sent a message in English, I used to copy it into Google Translate first.
That's okay. Many learners do that. But what changed later?
Later, I started replying by myself. Even if my English wasn't perfect, I tried.
That's wonderful. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from trying again and again.
Yes, sir. I realized that customers didn't mind small mistakes. They cared more about kindness and honesty.
That's a very true point. Let's explain to our listeners an important grammar pattern. When we talk about something we realized in the past, we use past tense. Example: I realized that customers didn't mind mistakes. I learned that practice makes me confident.
I see, sir. The word realized is past tense of realize.
Exactly. Great observation.
Sir, one day a foreign customer from the UK sent me a message. I was so nervous.
Oh, tell us what happened.
He asked about a necklace, and I replied in simple English. He understood me and said, "Thank you. Your English is good." I was so happy that I jumped up and told my mother.
That's a lovely story, Ayesha. That small success must have boosted your confidence.
Yes, sir, very much. After that, I felt proud of myself. I thought, if I can talk to one person, I can talk to more.
That's the spirit. Expression tip: boost your confidence means to make yourself feel more sure and positive.
Yes, sir. That message really boosted my confidence.
Wonderful. And that's how learning English and business growth connect. The more you use English, the more confident you become.
Yes, sir. And the more confident I became, the more customers I could talk to.
Excellent connection, Ayesha. Confidence and communication go hand in hand.
Oh, I like that phrase. Confidence and communication go hand in hand.
Perfectly said.
Thank you, sir.
Now, did you ever think about giving up your business when things got hard?
Once or twice, sir. When orders were slow or when I got negative comments, I felt like quitting. But then I remembered why I started, to make people happy and to learn something new.
That's beautiful. That's called remembering your purpose. When you remember why you started, it helps you stay strong.
Yes, sir. And I also remembered what you said in our earlier lessons. Don't give up, learn step by step.
I'm glad you remembered that. Learning English and starting a business are both step-by-step journeys.
Yes, sir. Now I tell other people the same thing. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
That's great advice, Ayesha. So, to summarize today's segment, key learnings. 1. Mistakes are lessons, not failures. 2. Ignore negativity, focus on positivity. 3. Use simple English. It's better than no English. 4. Every small success boosts your confidence. 5. Remember your purpose and never give up.
Yes, sir. These are the lessons that helped me grow, not just in business, but in life.
Beautifully said, Ayesha. You've turned challenges into strength.
Thank you, sir. I'm very thankful for all the learning.
And we are thankful to you for sharing your story. In our final segment, we'll talk about Ayesha's future dreams, how she plans to grow her business, use English more confidently, and inspire other learners like you.
I can't wait to share that, sir.
Wonderful. So stay tuned, everyone, for Podcast 5, Dreams, Growth, and Inspiration.